because she stopped the video. It's going to be a part 2. See, this thing's rusty. See? It was not rusty. I think this might get into another video. Putting down rust with Pepsi.
Yeah, it's hard.
This thing's done.
Do you want a Clorox wipe or something?
Okay, it's fixed. My safety was up. It's a pump one too. Let's go check if I hit it. Probably didn't.
I told you I would get you a Clorox wipe.
Does this thing even work? Oh, back up. Oh yeah. Your glasses. I don't think it does.
Do you want a Clorox wipe?
It's not even full of ammo. Who does that? Come on. Oh yeah, I forgot. To show you. I use Crossman air guns 2500 premium BB grade. Yeah, copperheads. Don't turn around. Don't turn the camera like you did the other video of dissecting clams. You're like.
Here.
Back in. No, we're not putting them back. It's called we put them in a gun.
I know, I'm not dumb.
You're a second grader.
I'm about to be a second grader.
So then you're a first grader.
I am about to be a second grader.
So you're a first grader right now.
Yeah, I know.
Total sense.
Yeah, I'm going in a second grade.
We're
I'm
gonna
not
need more
in
BBs. These are gonna be fun.
And they're all falling out.
Oh God.
They're all going on the floor.
Well, can you pick them up? If you can't, then just the ones by me because they spilled. I thought that was gonna work because last time I did it, it worked. This thing's rusting. That's the thing that's scaring me.
I told you want a Clorox wipe.
You never said a Clorox wipe. No, Clorox wipes do not break down.
Well, I
Rust.
did for. Oh, there's another one.
This is gonna be a rusty gun.
Here's another one.
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be a rusty gun.
Wow.
If Pepsi can break down rust, then it can break down anything. So we're gonna use Pepsi to break down this rust. As if we have Pepsi. Sophia, can you please go get me Pepsi?
Okay. Should I take the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
And get a paper towel.
Okay. Now we're going inside.
It's when they practice the kids at each position,
Nick needs Pepsi.
and they do drills specific to each one, so it sets their roster for the year.
Break
But
down the rust.
also, he was supposed to get his uniform
Nick
this
needs
week,
Pepsi?
Yeah.
so we missed that too. So
What happened
now,
last year? What?
yeah, so now
Who's
we
on
end
there?
up getting it that whatever that
Nobody,
mandatory week is, because
whose
all the
phone's
coaches
that?
are there. We'll end up getting
Nick's.
his uniform too.
What does he need Pepsi for?
So
Just give me Pepsi, please.
see,
I
when we
want to
get
know
back
what it's
though, we
for,
can
because
find
you're not
out.
wasting
I don't know.
Because we can email.
Well,
someone
ask him
and
what the
see.
Pepsi's for.
Okay.
You're not just wasting.
Yeah.
You can have a Pepsi.
I need Pepsi to break down the rust.
No, we're not wasting a Pepsi to break down the rust. Go get something at the store. They have like a rust thing at Walmart we're looking for, okay?
Ooh, tell them to like and subscribe. Tell them to like and subscribe.
Yeah, hit the wall too. Hit the wall. Do it.